Welcome to Vidya Viber Public School. The first topic we are going to learn is symmetrical design. Symmetrical, it means the design should be balanced. We are learning this for the month of September. So here for the symmetrical, I am giving a best example. It's a butterfly. The example for the butterfly, it's a wings. Okay. Here you should draw the wings has like a symmetric. It means how it will be in the right side. The same way you should write in the left side also. It should look like similar. It means the design should be balanced in the both the sides. So a butterfly wing is flying, it will be little up and downs, but the meaning of symmetrical is a design should be balanced in the both the sides, left and right. So our design is completed. Now we'll using a watercolor, we'll start creating a coloring. Try to take 2 layers of colors, because in the pot I teach already how to take a layers. So this is the first layer. I'm using a brown color and make it little dark, and you can use it a second layer. So once second layer is completed, once it dry, you can feel how the output is and how layer is formed also. Just draw with the brush and complete the coloring with the brown itself. And now I'm going to do, I taken a dark brown, I mix little, so now just give lightly, completely with the first layer. See, like that. Use a brush stroke. So now give a outline. Yes, like that. So give a first layer and then give a outline stroke. And then apply complete water to the rest of the place. And then here I'm using a dark blue and a light blue, so you can use a blue. Just tap it like that. See, wherever the water is there, it will start spreading. Just observe that how I'm using the brush stroke to completely to fill the color. Then now we'll mix a yellow color to the same color like this. Wherever the white space is remaining, I'm giving a yellow color. So somewhere it's showing a double color, like it's a green, yellow and a blue. See, I don't want to explain it again because already we learned a color wheel. So wherever the dark outline we want to see, you just apply a outline again, like very lightly in a dark tone. So here you make sure that water consistency is little less. After dried only you should use this stroke. Don't do it before when it's wet. Okay. Yes. Only a blue color. I'm giving a outline how I did in a blue color. Okay. So this is a final output. So the second topic we are learning is floral design. This is for the month of September. So floral is nothing but, here it's a flower. The other name of floral is a flower. So here I'm drawing a flower with a basic arc and with a basic stroke, and very simple and easy you should do with a free hand. So you should complete the art with a free hand. And using a watercolor, apply a color, any color you can go. Here I'm using a blue color. With a dark tone, give a outline. First you should give a outline like this and spread with the water. Then again, see here, I'll teach you. Just draw the outline like this. Before it gets dried, wash the brush and take a pure water little bit in your brush and spread it. Okay, same way you complete the other flower also. If you're feeling a darkness is not there, you can give a one more stroke like this. So here I'm giving an outline. Then before it's dried, you should spread the color. So do it like 2 or 3 petals. If you are not fine doing with 3, go like 1 by 1. See, when we are working with the leaf, just give one stroke like that and spread the dark color. And then for the stem, just give one light stroke. That's enough. See, like that. You can use this technique or this technique. Any technique is fine. Here I felt like if it is one more big leaf was there, it looks good. So without drawing, I'm just doing the leaf. If you are fine, you can use it in the same way, or else you can draw the leaf and you can do it. So I'm going to give a small bud flower here. So it will looks good and great. Then using a pencil, instead of using a black color, I'm using a pencil and I'm just filled completely like this. The topic we are going to learn is figures for the month of September. So figure is nothing but a character we are going to draw. So draw one small circle. Below that again draw one small circle. Follow the same step how the stroke I am giving, even you can able to do. Here I am drawing a woman back pose. Okay, the pose of this is a back pose. See, I am using very simple stroke. Don't feel that it's so difficult. Follow the step how I am flowing the strokes. Really you can able to do. See, I'm flowing one slanting line, parallel line, slant line. Yes, see our work is getting very easily if you're seen with the basic shapes. I just given like holding in a hand a basket. See, you can color in your own way. Any technique you can use it. Okay, any color combination you can use it. So here I'm not going to tell you use it some particular color or not, but you can use any color. Use it like a combination of the colors. Okay. See, once washed your brush, you should using a waste cloth, just wipe your brush and then you can use it again. See here, it's very less explanation. You should observe very carefully what the stroke and how I'm using, because already we learned lot of technique. All the technique what we learned, so I'm applying on the work. For the hair, I'm using a black. You can go with 2 layers or a 3 layers. And for basket also, I'm using a black color. And for the face, I'm mixing here pink. It means red and white, and little yellow I'm mixing, so you will get a skin tone. Yes, this is how now it's look a final. The fourth topic we are going to learn best out of waste. So this is for the month of September. So now draw a circle and another right hand side, draw a small circle and one line and a squeeze rectangle and again one more squeeze rectangle, and draw 2 parallel line left side and right side in a symmetric way, and draw a foot with the oval shape. Then just give one stroke like that and draw a small rectangle and draw a parallel line, and you should draw the hands. So draw a circle and one curve, it will give a thumb finger. Same way you should repeat to the left hand side also. So after completing it, erase it lightly because we are using a watercolor. Where the stroke we can able to see, erase it till with that pressure. And then now I'm using orange color for face. For the skin tone I'm using completely like orangish tone. And then for others I'm using a black. And completely you should spread for the other side. And then once work is completed like this, you should use a pencil sharpener. So that is what we are using here, best out of waste. Using a glue we are going to stick this for the as like a skirt. A 2-layer here I am using. You can use if you want a more layers also. Okay, after sticking the output will look like this. So the first topic we learned symmetrical design. The second topic floral design. The third topic figures. Fourth topic best out of waste. Thank you.